In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best Turo first ride promo codes. If you're looking to save on your first rental with Turo, you're in the right place. We'll go over some of the current top promo codes that can help you get amazing discounts, and I'll walk you through the steps to apply these codes successfully, ensuring you maximize your savings. Let's kick things off with some of the most popular promo codes currently available. First up, we've got the $50 off deal. By using the code SZQNIL, you can receive $50 off your first booking. This is a great way to save a significant amount on your initial rental. If you're looking for a little bit less, there's also a $25 off discount with the code WHEELS. This can lighten your bill and make your rental more affordable. For those preferring percentage savings, there are a few options to consider. You can use the Turo Rental 10 code to get 10% off your booking. Alternatively, if you're hoping for a bit more, the TURAM20 code offers a generous 20% discount on your first order, and if you're really looking to cut costs, there's a fantastic 40% off when you use the code TFAF8CDE, or even an impressive 50% off by applying the code TURO50. All these codes provide terrific opportunities to save on your first ride with Turo. Now let's go over how to redeem a Turo promo code and ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Start by visiting Turo's official website at turo.com. Once there, either log into your existing account, or if you're new to the service, you'll need to create a new account to get started. After logging in, take a moment to browse the variety of vehicles available for rent. Turo offers everything from everyday cars to luxury options, so pick the one that suits your needs perfectly. Once you've decided on the right vehicle, it's time to head to the checkout process. This is where the magic happens. During the checkout, keep an eye out for the designated field where you can enter your promo code. Simply type in the code, making sure there are no spaces or typos, and submit it. You should see the discount applied immediately, reflecting the savings you're set to enjoy. Finally, always double check that the discount has been applied correctly before you finalize your booking. This step is crucial because it ensures you don't miss out on your savings or encounter any unexpected issues at the end. There you have it, a straightforward way to get significant discounts on your first Turo rental. We hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your ride and the savings that come with it.